Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how you can get your Binance account verified. So it is a pretty simple method. You don't really have to do anything really complicated. You only need like first to have already an account on Binance. If not, I will show you in this video. And what else you need is a phone, because you need to take a picture of yourself, and then your credit card or not credit card, I mean your ID or passport, and then of course your credit card. And then last but not least, to make verified plus, you will need like a resume of your last 60 days of your bank account. So now what you are going to do first is going to Binance.com to create first an account and show you how you can make an account, which is a pretty simple thing to do. So first of all, what you have to do exactly is go to Binance.com, and from here you can either create a new account or sign up using your Google account or with your Apple account. So let's sign up with an email and password. So you can either choose an email or phone number, as you can see. So let's pick here, for example, an email, and here you put your password. So here after that you put your personal, here you have to have agreed and on the terms of services and privacy policy, and then you click here to create your personal account. So let's start with personal email. So for example, I will put anything and I will be right back to you. So as you can see now guys, I have written my email, and here they told me that I have to verify my code. So after I verify my code, I will have my account created on Binance. So right after that, you will have a page which is gonna be something around that, and your account will be of course signed in, and that's how it will look like. Basically what you have to do is go to here, click on here, and from here you have to go ahead and go to identification. So from your identification you will have these two options, which is going to be verified or verified plus, and most of us, we don't need to be verified plus, but let's keep it with verified. So for verified, you have to fill some personal information, and then the government issued ID, and then a facial recognition. And if you completed that, it doesn't take a lot of time, like they say like 3 days, but actually it happened for me like in 5 minutes. And then if you want to be verified plus, you can do it by giving a proof of address, where do you live, and then like a resume, as I said, of your bank account. So that's how you can actually get verified on your Binance account. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.